So what happens when we partner the universe? And this probably should be quick. So when we partner the universe, and this is something I covered in earlier discussion 2 weeks back when we were having that open session, and I think Bridge asked that question about how we can get deeper and how much we should meditate, how for how long we should meditate. It is along the same lines. So when you are partnering with the universe, just remember one thing. I'm going to explain something to you from my experience. Please do not uh, take it um, do, do not fear, I would say, and don't take it in wrong way. Just be open. So when we are born, we also have couple of other spirits along with us. They are sent by the light world and the dark world. Those are the when we are in two minds, we are thinking of this, we are thinking of that. You always have two choices whether you do this or that thing. What you listen to is basically based on your paradigm. But remember this, we are not alone. No one is alone. Even if you consider yourself alone, you are not alone. Going by that stealing story, at least you are seeing yourself. But I can tell you, with every human, there are two other, not just two actually. I'm just giving you example here. But you have these higher spirits that are there to help you, influence you. If you turn towards one, whoever you turn towards will start giving you that help. Just remember that. You go deeper, you get higher forms of help, higher forms of spirit. There are different theories in different religion, I guess. They have different level of angels or different level of gods, in fact, in different religions. So I'm not going to go there, but just remember that there are different levels of life forms. I define them simply by life forms. I'm just saying they are different life forms. They come based on the deeper you are able to go into something. So if you are able to go deeper, each of these, if you see one is, and I think I did not do a good color job here, but if you see one is a little dark, one is a little light. I just wanted to reflect light and dark, two ends of the um, spectrum. So when you tilt towards one side and go deeper, you will be able to see um, next level of help coming. Even if you become, say, light oriented or dark oriented, right, you will still have the option to become light oriented, because the help will come on always on the two fronts. So you will have next level, you can go deeper, you will have next level of help arriving, and each of them are capable of doing different things, giving you different things, giving you different powers, things you are not able to do right now but will be able to do little later once you have those. And I don't want to go to all different levels of things. I just want to depict that when you start becoming partner, when you start getting deeper, you get help from other life forms that we don't see or we are not deliberately able to interact with. You will be able to interact with them later on as well. If you go deeper, you'll be able to see them. Currently, if you just meditate, you will only see a light, you will see different colors. You will only see you will feel something. And I can talk maybe I will have one meeting only to discuss the experiences during meditation. um, Fascinating stuff, I would say, very interesting to me at least. You will have different experiences, um, whether it is related to vision or sound or actual feel or the fragrance. All our senses become party interaction point actually, to what we get things or how we get things or how we receive things. But just remember this, They are different life forms, different level of life forms with different abilities. The deeper you go, the more powers you get, the more easily you are able to attract things. So from manual to automatic to fully autonomous. This is why I'm just describing three things or three levels here. And once you do that, you are able to go deeper, reach to the level that we eventually have to reach. So, in a nutshell, this is what happens when you partner with the universe. You interact with the higher life forms, get more power. That is where we become manual to automatic. We interact with more higher forms. We become from automatic to autonomous, and ultimately reach the destination without much efforts. We only have to put our intention, like keying in the destination. Unless you are in that car where it reads your mind. But I would be careful, because if once one you say in one thought says, okay, I want to go to Houston, but the other thought says, I think California will be nice. I won't mind California or whatever. So you have to be careful in that. But what I'm saying is, you reach that level, and once you reach that level, you will have that clarity as well. So you'll reach autonomous level. So this is what happens basically behind the scene. You interact with other life forms, higher life forms. They're giving you different powers, special powers, specific abilities, um, helping you use that connection more efficiently. And one thing that happens once you start becoming more aware of things, it's a funny thing, but you will see that no matter where you look at, currently we are talking about controlling the influence, controlling the environment, who you talk to, who you speak with, um, company of the positive people and things like that. But once you go deeper, you will see from everywhere you will be able to get that influence that you're looking for. The idea or the learning can come from any time, and can come from anywhere. Even if you watch a cartoon movie, to be honest, you will have some new insight, new way of thinking. And I'm not saying you're watching cartoon movie or animated movie just because to know things or whatever. But what I'm saying is, no matter where you put your attention, you will be able to derive what you're focusing on. If your focus is on understanding spirituality, understanding how this universe works, you'll be able to get that out from there. Guess what? Even now, what happens? Even that happens right now. Our focus is on specific thing. We only derive what we put focus to or what we think is important to us. So we attach to something, we don't attach to something. Simple. And once we are able to take care of that understanding, we are deliberately able to attach to something. We're able to derive this exact same thing from anything that you put focus on. That is why no matter where you go, which path you take, there's a saying: no matter what path you take, all paths lead to the divine or the creator. Whether you become bad or you become good, you become demon or you become divine, you reach there. So just remember, in the context of the partnership, there are different forms, life forms that help you, give you that ability, and make that things possible, or make that manifestation, effortless manifestation possible that we all are trying to get. So let's move on from what happens to how much we should partner.